Morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we are doing articles. Articles we have also done in our previous classes. Articles are also called determiners. Determiners means that determines, that shows. We use a or an for showing one and the for the definite one. Okay. So a or an is the indefinite article and the is the definite article. A is used in before the consonant sounds and an is used before the vowel sounds. Okay. So read the text below, underline a, an and the in the text. So this one is very easy, you will do by yourself. When I will give you the answers, you will check it over there. Next, a and an are the indefinite articles. Yes, I have told before only that these are the indefinite articles and the is the definite article. An is used before words starting with vowel sounds and a is used before words starting with consonant sound. Next, examples. At a shop, I want a t-shirt from my birthday. Any t-shirt, not a particular one. Any t-shirt, not a particular one. We are using a over there. Mom, see the one here. This t-shirt looks lovely. His mother shows a particular one. When it is a particular one, we are using the over there. Aman, yes, I like this, but can I buy an aeroplane? So an aeroplane is the not the definite one, it is indefinite, anyone. So it is not a particular one, so we are using an over there. Mom, you already have one, don't you? The one Aunt Lily bought for you. It is a particular one. The one Aunt Lily, that means the particular one that is in their house. Yes, I will buy something else. Now we use a and when something is mentioned for the first time. When we are mentioning it for the first time, we will use a or an. Next time, second time, when we will talk about that, we will use the over there. We use the when the same things is mentioned for the second or subsequent time. Example, I am going to open a packet of cereal. It is first time I am telling, so a packet. Next, Amit, is that the packet mom brought yesterday? So we are talking about that packet of cereal, same packet of cereal, so we are putting there the. I want to open the packet. Second and third mention. This is the second and the third mention we are using. So we are using the over there. We can also use the before certain nouns when we know there is only one of a particular thing. When we will know that there is only a particular thing, we will use the over there, like the rain, the sun, the wind, the world, the earth, etc. However, if we want to describe a particular instance of these, we use a or an. There is a cold wind blowing. I could hear the wind. To describe the people of a country or a class of people, the English, the French, the rich. So to describe the people of a country or a class, we use the in before that. Before the names of many large geographical areas and the four directions, the east, the Gulf countries, the Himalayas on the west. So here the Gulf countries, we are talking about a large geographical areas. Before the names of rivers, oceans and seas, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean. So before the rivers, name of the rivers, ocean and seas, we use the. Before the name of the deserts, forests and gulfs, example the Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Amazon forest. So before writing any name of the desert, forest or gulfs, we will use the. Before the name of musical instrument, Before writing any musical instrument, we can use the over there. For example, the guitar, the drums, the flute. Before the superlative, the best computer, the worst player, the most interesting book. So, for before the superlative degree, we use the. Before the names of newspaper, the Hindu, the Indian Express. So, we are using the before that. Before the names of famous buildings, monuments, paintings, the Empire State Building, the Red Fort, the Mona Lisa. So, in front of or the before any buildings, name of any building, monuments and paintings, we use the. Here is an exercise. Correct the mistakes in the following sentences by adding the wherever necessary. One has been done for you. Where is new laptop you got as a prize? Where is the new laptop you got as a prize? Next, the plane flew over Pacific Ocean. The plane flew over the Pacific Ocean. In India, it rains during monsoon. In India, it rains during the monsoon. Rest you will do by yourself. Number 4, 5, 6, 7 you will do by yourself. Okay. Next, let's learn. Articles are not used in certain places. Some places are there we cannot use articles. For example, with an uncountable nouns, when we make a general statement, with uncountable noun we will not write a or the, nothing. I love coffee. The correct sentence will be I love coffee. We will not use any articles with the uncountable nouns when we are making any general statement. Before the names of meals, if referred to in a general manner. If we are talking about any meal, that means lunch, dinner, anything, but it is in a general manner, then we will not use articles over there. I always have lunch at 2 p.m. but today I had a late lunch. And another one, the upper one, shall we have the dinner now? No, it is wrong. Shall we have dinner now? We have to say like this. I always have lunch at 2 p.m. but today I had a late lunch. This one is the correct answer. Next, before the names of hours, days and months, we cannot use the. For example, our tennis match is on the Thursday. Wrong. It is wrong statement. I will meet you on Monday. It is correct. The correct sentence of this one will be our tennis match is on Thursday. Okay. Next, when talking about sports, when we are talking about any sports, we will not use the over there. She plays the badminton. It is wrong. She plays badminton is correct. We play tennis every day. This is the correct. Before the names of languages of or countries, the Nepalese is the national language of Nepal. It is wrong. Nepali is the national language of Nepal will be the correct answer. Next, Nepali is the national language of Nepal. It is correct. It is given only. However, the is used before the names of countries. The is used before the names of some countries, not all the countries. The countries that have of in them. That means if there is any of in the name, that like, for example, United States of America. Here it is written United States of America. So in front of it, before that we can use the over there. The Netherlands. The Netherlands. Netherlands, it is in plural. So the country's name that will be in plurals, we will use the in before that. And we will use the if the country name contains of. For example, United States of America. Of is given over there, so we can use the over there. Next, strike out the mistake, if any, in the sentence given below. I was born in the 2000. No, I was born in 2000. Do it in the copy. This one you have to do it in the copy. My mother tongue is the Hindi. Wrong. My mother tongue is Hindi. I play the chess quite well. Wrong. We have to write I play chess quite well. Rest of the three will do by yourself. Read the passage, add articles where necessary, and check if there are any extra ones. Cross out the extra articles. This one you will do by yourself. You will read by yourself. Okay. You will do by yourself. And you will check the answers when I will send you. Here are two special ways of using the. The is not used before school, college, hospital. Before the name of any school, college, hospital, we will not use the. When these places are visited for their primary function, the is used with these words when we refer to them as a definite place, building or object. When we will show them a definitely, then we will use the, otherwise we will not use the. For example, my sister has been going to school since she was 3 years old. That means every day she is going to school. Here we will not use the. My mother goes to the school sometimes to pick her up. That means sometimes. It is not often. Sometimes. That time we are using the over there. The is also used in some fixed English expressions. Example, the bigger the better, the more the merrier. So these are the fixed English expressions. Before that we use the. Okay. So read the chapter, do the exercises in the book, and do the worksheet in the copy. So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time, and keep reading and keep practicing.